Welcome to my channel Learning Zoology with Sama. Today's topic is the nucleic acid. आज का हमारा टॉपिक है न्यूक्लिक एसिड. न्यूक्लिक एसिड. न्यूक्लिक एसिड means the acid which can be present in the nucleus of the cell. Friedrich Mayer in the year 1869 isolated from the nuclei of pus cells of the wounded soldier a new class of chemical which he named as nuclein, and later on it was named as the nucleic acid by Richard Altman in 1889. And this nucleic acid can be found in all the invertebrates from the lower organism to the higher organism, including plants and also the virus. It was found to be an acid due to the presence of phosphoric acid. न्यूक्लिक एसिड को एसिड इसलिए बोला जाता है बिकॉज यहाँ पर फॉस्फोरिक एसिड प्रेजेंट है, दैट इज H3PO4, एंड हियर 5 elements are also present, that is carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and phosphorus. Now this nucleic acid is divided into mainly the two parts, that is the DNA and the RNA. DNA means the deoxyribonucleic acid, and RNA means ribonucleic acid. So this nucleic acid is also known as the carrier of the hereditary material. They are the biomacromolecules present in the free state or bound with the protein in a living organism, and mononucleotides are the building blocks, material or repeating units of DNA and RNA chain. It means in DNA and RNA chain mononucleotides are present. Nucleic acid not only store or transmit the characters from one organism to the another, it will also translate the protein in the living organism. Nucleic acid are the polynucleotides, that is they are made up of monomeric unit of nucleotides. Nucleic acid polynucleotides बोला गया. poly मतलब many number of nucleotides join together to form the nucleic acid. So let us start with these nucleotides. What is the meaning of the nucleotides? Each nucleotide is joined with the adjacent nucleotide by 3' 5' phosphodiester bond. Phospho means phosphorus group, diester डबल ईस्टर ग्रुप फॉर्मेशन होता है, इसलिए 3' 5' फोस्टर लिंकेज की वजह से एक न्यूक्लियोटाइड दूसरे न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स को ज्वाइन करेगा, एंड इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ 3 मेन कंपोनेंट्स, दैट इज 1 नाइट्रोजनस बेस, 1 पेंटोज सुगर, double in deoxyribose sugar, that is in DNA, and ribose sugar in RNA, and number third one is the 1 phosphoric acid, that is H3PO4. The nucleotide present in the DNA is the deoxyribonucleic acid, and the nucleotide which is present in the RNA is known as ribonucleotide. So now come to the nitrogenous bases. Nitrogenous bases मतलब these are the organic bases. Organic bases means surely carbon contained. So it is made up of 3 elements, that is carbon, hydrogen and nitrogen, and it is of 2 types, that is purine and pyrimidine. Purines again divided into 2 types, that is adenine and guanine, represented as A, guanine represented as G. Pyrimidine again consists of thymine, that is T, cytosine C and uracil U. In DNA the nitrogen bases are the, in DNA it may be A, T, G and C, adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine, but in RNA, that is ribonucleotide, it is A, U, G, C. T is replaced by U, thymine is replaced by uracil here. The pentose sugar. The pentose sugar in DNA is D2-deoxyribose, and in RNA it is D-ribose. Due to the presence of 2-deoxyribose, the nucleic acid is known as deoxyribose nucleic acid, and due to the presence of the ribose sugar, the nucleic acid is known as the ribonucleic acid. Here is the structure of the ribose sugar that is present in the RNA. See this OH group, and here is the structure of the ribose sugar, deoxyribose sugar, that is present in the DNA. Important property of the pentose sugar is that it forms ester with the phosphoric acid at 3 dex and 5 dex end of the sugar molecule, and the nitrogenous base link with the pentose sugar by the glycosidic bond. First, number third point is the phosphoric acid. The molecular formula of phosphoric acid is the H3PO4. Here is the structure. P means phosphorus, OH is the hydroxyl group, and O is the oxygen atom. Here P is the pentavalent phosphorus atom, and O is the 3 monovalent hydroxyl group. OH is the 3 monovalent hydroxyl group, and O is here divalent oxygen group. So now nitrogenous base plus pentose sugar plus phosphoric acid gives us nucleotide, which is the constituent of the nucleic acid. But nitrogenous base plus pentose sugar is the nucleoside. The nucleoside containing the ribose sugar is known as ribonucleoside, and nucleoside containing the deoxyribose sugar is known as DNA or deoxynucleoside. The nucleoside present in DNA are 4 types. That is your A, T, G and C. Deoxyadenosine, deoxythymidine, deoxyguanosine and deoxycytidine. So today's topic is over.